The next exercise I want you to practice is power chord ending. Power chord ending is very similar to low root ending. Low root ending is single note, just root of the chord. Power chord ending, root and fifth together, gives a little power. There's no third. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I added a little variation on the first line. It's gonna start with scale degree 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, and 1. Power chord. I am going to try in key of A. Make sure to start with scale degree 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Power chord.